Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about some specific angles of a triangle. Right. So we will find the trigonometric ratios for some specific angles like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. So let us first start with 45 degree. So we will draw triangle ABC where B is at right angle. So if we take angle C or angle A as 45, the other one automatically becomes 45, right? So if these two angles are 45, that means triangle ABC is also an isosceles triangle. So the side opposite to equal angles will also be equal. That means AB will be equal to BC. Now using Pythagoras theorem, you can find the length of the hypotenuse, right? So AC will be equals to A root 2. Now as we know that sine theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, where here in this triangle ABC our perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So if we take C angle C as theta, so sine theta will be equals to this perpendicular side upon hypotenuse side, right? So upon A root 2. And the same way we take cos of 45, then it will be side BC upon side AC. So clearly both of them we can see that A will be cancelled with A, so what we are left with is 1 by root 2. So the value of sine 45 and cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Now we know that tan theta is the ratio of sine theta to cos theta. So if we divide 1 by root 2 with 1 by root 2, we'll get 1. So the value of tan 45 is 1. Cot 45 is multiplicative inverse of tan 45. So 1 upon tan 45 will be equals to 1 upon 1, that is equals to 1. In the same way, sec theta is the multiplicative inverse of cos theta, right? So sec 45 can be written as 1 upon sine 40 sec 45 cos 45 sec 45 can be written as 1 upon cos 45, right? So the value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So 1 upon 1 by root 2, this can be written as root 2 also. So the value of sec 45 is root 2, and in the same way the value of cosec 45 is also 1 by for cosec 45 is root 2. Right, now let us talk about 60-degree angle. First of all, we will draw an equilateral triangle and we will draw an angle bisector which is perpendicular at BC. Right, so in triangle ABC, we are taking sides as 2A. Right, just because if the line segment AD bisects BC, so it will be divided into sides A and A, not A by 2 and A by 2. We don't want to go into fractions for solving the thing. Although the results will be same, but we are eliminating the fraction part. So side AB will be equals to 2A, AC will also be equals to 2A, and BC is equals to 2A, and hence angle A will be equals to angle B will be equal to angle C, which is equals to 60 degree. As AD is the angle bisector of angle A, so this will be divided into two equal parts, that is 30 degree and 30 degree. So now in triangle ADB, you can see that angle BAD is equals to 30 degree. This angle BAD is equals to 30 degree. Angle ABD, this angle is equals to 60 degree, and this one is right angle, right? So by Pythagoras theorem we can find the length of the perpendicular, that is AD, because length of AB is given. It was an equilateral triangle, so AB was 2A. BD is also given because we have drawn a perpendicular bisector AD on BC, so that's why BD will be equals to A. right? So if we apply Pythagoras theorem, what we will get is the value of AD will be a root 3. So again, if we put sine 60, so if we take B as our theta, B angle B as theta, so sine 60 will be perpendicular in this side upon hypotenuse, that is in this side, right? So perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is a root 3 upon 2a. So a and a will be cancelled, so the value of sine 60 is coming out to be root 3 by 2. And the same way, if we take cos 60, taking angle b as 60 degree, taking angle b as 60 degree, cos theta is based upon hypotenuse, that means bd is base and a b is hypotenuse. So a upon 2a, that is 1 by 2. So the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2, right? Now if we want to find the value of tan 60, what we will simply do is divide sin 60 and cos 60. So tan 60 will be root 3. If you divide this root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 whole upon 1 by 2, this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled, so what we are left with is root 3. So tan 60 is root 3. The same way, cot 60 is multiplicative inverse of tan 60, that's why cot 60 will be 1 by root 3. Sec 60 is multiplicative inverse of cos 60, right? Sec 60 is the multiplicative inverse of cos 60, so that will be 1 upon 1 by root 2. So sec 60 will be equals to 2. The same way, cosec 60, cosec 60 is the multiplicative inverse of sin 60, so cosec 60 will be 1 upon root 3 by 2, that will be 2 by root 3. Right now, talking about 30 degree, right? So in triangle ADB, angle A is equals to 30 degree, that means our theta will be angle BAD. So sin theta, if we take sin theta, then our perpendicular in this case will be BD and hypotenuse will be same, that is AB. So sine of 30 will be equals to perpendicular, that is BD upon AB, which is equals to A upon 2A. So A and A will be cancelled and we will get 1 by 2. And if in the case of cos 30, our base will be AD, right? Because remember we discussed that uh, base is that side which is adjacent to the angle excluding the hypotenuse, right? So cos 30 will be AD upon AB, that is A root 3 upon 2A. So A and A will be cancelled, so what we are left with is root 3 by 2, right? The same way, tan theta will be equals to tan 30 will be equal to sin 30 upon cos 30, that is 1 by 2 whole upon 1 by root 3, root 3 by 2, right? 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. This 2 and this 2 will be cancelled, so what we are left with is 1 by root 3. And in the same way, cot 30 is the multiplicative inverse of tan 30, so cot 30 will be equals to root 3, and sec 30 is the multiplicative inverse of cos 30, so sec 30 will be equals to 1 upon root 3 by 2, which is equals to 2 by root 3. And the same way, cosec 30 will be equals to 1 upon sin 30, that is 1 upon 1 by 2, this will be equals to 2. So in the next video we will talk about 0 degree and 90 degree.